Hello and welcome to Battle of Heavyweights, round 2. Let's just jump right in. In this round, or the purpose of this round is to discover what happens when there are different data types in the lookup column, right? So Excel can store text strings, Excel can store numbers, and the question is, what happens if the data type of the lookup value is not the same as the data type in the lookup column, right? Here we have 40012, here we have 40012. This one is numeric, this one is stored as a text string. The question is, what happens? Let's find out. Equals VLOOKUP, we want to go find the vendor ID in table 1. We want to return the value from the 1, 2, 3, 4th column and 0 for exact match close function and enter. SMI 333, 3208, SMI 333, 3208. So far so good. Let's go ahead and fill it down and it's broken. Right, so what does this tell us about VLOOKUP? It tells us this, that equivalent values like 40022, when stored as different data types, don't match to VLOOKUP. That's what this is showing us, right? Let's see about SUMIFS equals SUMIFS. We want to add up the amount column, but we only want to include those rows where the vendor ID is equal to our vendor ID, close function, and enter. 3208, same value as VLOOKUP, so far so good. Now let's fill it down and interesting. Okay, what does this tell us about SUMIFS? Equivalent values, even when stored as different data types, do match to SUMIFS. Okay, so who won the round? In practice, which function are we going to use? That's basically the point. So in this round, if this was the kind of workbook I'm working on in real life with mixed data types, I'm going to go with SUMIFS. But can VLOOKUP do this? Yeah, VLOOKUP could do this. And there's a variety of different ways. We could change the data types manually. We could use a helper function like text or value, or other ways. So VLOOKUP is not knocked down, so we're going to give VLOOKUP 9 points in this round. So at the end of round 2, we have SUMIFS 20, VLOOKUP 17. Hey, look forward to seeing you in round 3. Thanks. Have a great day.
This video is a production of Excel University.